to my channel. Here I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free website with Google site. So the first thing you do is to Google site, then you click on Google site, and as you can see here we have different kinds of templates. You can choose from anyone, but right now we're choosing a new template. We are going to be creating template by ourselves. So right here, yeah, in the new template, here is where you name the site. What do you want to do? What is your business? What do you do? What's your service? What product do you sell? Here we are going to give you an example, and we're going to use executive back as example. Here is where you enter your logo. If you have a logo, you upload it here. The logo should already be in your system. Please note that this Google site only accepts system for editing. If you try and use your phone, it's not going to open. It's actually going to tell you that you need to use your computer, your system to do it. So we are going to pick a random logo, and as you can see, it's there at the corner of the logo of the website, just to give it some steeze. So here we are going to be using a title. This is what your client or anybody that is visiting your website is going to see. So you have to use a very catchy headline. Like here I'm using bag with steez. You can use anything, it's just for practical. Here is where you change the background picture. You can choose from the site. The Google site gives different kind of image. Here are the image. You can choose any one you want to. Here I'm going to go all the way down. I'm picking this one here. Then once you click it, you see insert, and voila, it's inserted. That's insert. So let's go and explore the rest. Here you can actually change the font you want. You can change the size here. You change the font. You can change it to bold. You can change it to intel. Yes, that one I meant. Sorry, I don't want to speak. You can underline it. Whichever way you want to put it. You can change the color also. Color. Right here we are choosing a color theme. You don't just use random color when you're doing the design. You should have a color theme. Right here, I think our color theme here is it blue? It depends on the template you picked. It depends on the color you picked. Here you can delete it if you don't want it, and here is the heading. Here is where you go back, and here is when you insert text. You insert text from this place, and you can put anything you want to put at the text box. Here we are just giving an example. You can put anything you want to put it. You can turn it to another heading, or you want to put a write-up. Anything you want to put it. Go about, check other website, get your info, your expo, get it from there, and make sure your website is very unique. Don't copy and paste. Here I'm trying to put it so that it's going to align in the middle of the page. In this place you can upload any image you want. This place you can embed any site you want. This is where everything in your Google Drive is. If you have saved a picture or anything in your Google site, this is where you can, Google Drive, I mean, this is where you can find it. You can add another page, another template. Here you can put any text you want. For example, I'm putting pink, pinky, pecky bag. Maybe you want to display one of your bags here that you sell. You can put the image and you can put the name of the bag, and underneath it you can put the description of the bag. So all these are just example. You know what you want to do, you know how to display it. If you do not have any idea, you can use ChatGPT for a very good description and all. So here you can add any other one you want. This one is different from the first one, so you can decide to add. You can delete it. If you want to delete from the corner here, you can, or actually duplicate it if you want to duplicate it from that side. This place is a collapsible slide, in case you want to list the type of services you do, or the type of bag you have, or the color or something. Depends on your business. So what I'm doing here is what we offer, what we do. So underneath it you can write anything you want to do. I'm just giving an example here. Then you can set it to the point that it can collapse, that is, it won't show. This one I'm writing won't show except you click on that arrow on top. Yes, as you can see right here now, you can press down that side. You can close the, yeah, this piece, and it's not going to collapse, it's just going to show like this. So if you made a mistake and would like to go back to your previous edit, you can go up here and click here and to go back to your previous edit. This is more like, if you are good at Canva, you can be able to go about all this. So here is a carousel. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. This place you can put multiple image, and it slides on its own. If anyone visits your website, it just keep on moving, just like a slide on its own. So you can exploit it. Also depends on what you are doing. Like I said, you want to put a button, maybe a call button. Press call. Maybe if somebody click on it, it should call you directly. So this is what you do. In this place, what you actually do is, you can see that the thing is not actually showing me insert. That means I'm doing something wrong. So what you do is write tell. Then depends on your location or your geographical area, or the kind of number you use. You add +234, then the number. So that is actually the issue in this place right now. Please take correction. Thank you. So this is an example. Like I say, you don't do it exactly as it is. The essence of me not using random stuff is for you to do, to be creative, to do exactly a different thing, to be unique. So you can drag it wherever you want to put it. I would suggest you put it in the after the heading, so that they will quickly see it. Here you can add other page. Like now you can add, here we have home page, you can add service page, you can add about page, you can add contact page. Any page you want. You want a different page for different services, you can check it. You can check my website. I'm going to be dropping the link below. below. You can check it and maybe draw an expo from my website. So please, if you are watching to this point, meaning you're learning something, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You can comment on the comment section if you have a question or a suggestion, or you want me to teach you something. I'll go out of my way to get it across to you. So please turn on the notification bell, because I'm still going to be doing more videos. Here you can change the head in. Where there is home, about, services, you can change it to the corner, or you can change it at the top of the website. Depends on your preference. I will actually suggest to put it at the heading, so that it's easier for people to see when they visit your website. Here you can change the color. This theme, you can change the color, any color you want with this theme. Sorry, I'm moving fast. You can slow down the video and or repeat it. You are free to do that. So this is the service. This is how you preview after you're done with everything. You preview the page. This is how you see the page when it's in the iPad and when it's in the phone, so that you see how it looks like before you actually publish it. Like, this is the carousel area that we did earlier, and if you visit the website, that part is just going to be moving on its own. Then after you're done, you click publish. As you can see, the name of our website, the executive bag, is right there, just as we've written in the beginning. And underneath it, you will see your website link. You can copy it there. At that moment, you can copy it so that you can send it to anyone you want to send it to. Then you click publish, and that is all.